Good day guys, welcome to 5 minutes with Faraday. The subject I'll be taking a look at today is mathematics. And I'll be teaching how to find the square of a 2-digit number without the use of calculator. Let's get started. Now let's take the first example. 11 square. The first number here is 1. Let A equal to 1. The second number here is also 1. Let B equal to 1. And the number we have here is 2, which is the square. Let n equal 2. What we have to do is, here will be a squared. A times b times n. We also have b squared here. The value of our a is 1. Therefore, 1 squared. A is 1 times b is also 1. N is 2. B is 1 squared. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is also 1. Therefore, 11 squared is equal to 121. Let's take the second example. 13 squared. Let A equal to, the first number here is 1. Let B equal to, the second number here is 3. And n equal to square. Here we have 2. Now, we have a squared. A times b times n. We have b squared here. Now, the value of our a here is 1. 1 squared. The value of a is 1. The value of b is 3. And the value of n is 2. The value of our b is also what? 3 squared. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, 13 squared is equal to 169. Let's take the third example. 20 squared. Let A equal to the first number here, which is 2. B equal to the second number, which is 0. And n equal to 2 here, which is the square. Now that will be what? A squared. A times b times n. We have the b squared here. The value of a is 2. 2 squared. A is 2 times b is 0 and n is also 2. Now the value of b is 0 squared. 2 squared is what? 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 squared is also what? 0. Therefore, the value of 20 squared is 400. Let's take the fourth example. 15 squared. Let A equal to 1, B equal to 5, and n equal 2. That will be what? A squared. We have the a times b times n here. Here, the b squared. Now, the value of a is 1. 1 squared. A here is 1 times b is 5 and n is 2. The value of b is 5 squared. Now, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Times 2 is 10. Write the 10 here because it is what? 2 digits. And 5 squared is what? 25. Now, what you have to do is, we have 1 here, we have 2 here, and we also have 5 here. Don't forget the 10 that is here. That will be what? 1 and 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, 15 squared is equal to 225. Let's take the fifth example. 26 squared. Let A equal to, B equal to 6, and n equal to the 2, which is the square. That will be a squared. A times b times n. We have the b squared here. Now, the value of a is 2. The value of a is 2. The value of b is 6. And the value of n is 2. Here, the value of b is 6. 6 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Write the 24 here because it is 2 digits. Now, 6 squared is 36. Now, we have 4 here. We have 3 here. We have 6 here. And we have 24 here. So, write the 24 here. Now, 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 4. 7 rather. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, 26 squared is equal to 676. Let's take the last example. So, alright guys, please subscribe if you haven't done that, so as to get notified when I post another video. Thank you.